Ek Onkar Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad. Ek Onkar Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad. Ek Onkar Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad. Ek Onkar. Ek Onkar Satguru Prasad, Satguru Prasad. Ek Onkar. Satnam. It's great to be here. I'm Satkirin Kaur, and today we're meeting Trip. And Trip is a really wonderful percussion player, and I'm really happy that we're playing together for the bits and pieces that we're doing. And I wanted to introduce him to you and talk a little bit about Kirtan, because it's really, really a wonderful way of meditating. So Trip and I have just been working on a couple of chants for our next program at Integral Yoga in March 9th. So we hope we'll see you there. And want to play some music for you. It's really simple. It's Waheguru. 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 Wahechio. Waheguru. Waheguru.